In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. I have this Excel sheet here. So the first thing that I need to do, I want to make this heading one. So we have three columns here. We have one for assignments, checkbox, and status. So we have these five subjects. Maybe you are given in school that you need to do the assignments in these particular subjects. So we need to have a checkbox on this column here, so that when you click on it, it shows here that you have already done that particular assignment. So in order to insert a checkbox, we need a tool here, a developers tool, but it's missing. So in order to add it here, just go to files, and then at the bottom here, click on the options, and then click on customize ribbon, and then on the customize the ribbons here, you'll see this developer is not checked, so you need to check it, then click OK, and immediately you see that the tab has been added. Alternatively, you can just right click anywhere in this ribbon here and go to customize the ribbon, and then you land on this page. Then just make sure that you check on that particular tool. So now that we have this developer tool, just click on it, and then under controls, click on insert, then form controls, you'll see this checkbox icon. Click on it, and then I'm going to insert the first checkbox here, like that. So if we expand that, you can see that we have this text here. We need to delete that. So I just going to double click inside, and then going to make sure that I delete that. So now we have this checkbox. I just right click to edit it, just move it around to the maybe the correct position in the middle of that particular cell. Now that we have this one here, we can simply drag, instead of inserting each and every cell, we can just copy this checkbox down to this particular subject that we have. So select this first cell and place your cursor at the corner, the bottom corner here, then drag to copy the checkboxes. Now we have the checkboxes in each and every subject. So now that you have this checkbox, you can just click on it, and you can see that it's working. But perhaps you need whenever you click on it, you need to display something on this status here. So in order to do that, we need to connect this checkbox to cell. So place your cursor on the checkbox and right click, then just select the last option that says format controls. So under format controls, you'll see this control tab. Make sure that you are on the control tab, and then under cell link, just click inside the cell link, and then select the cell where you want to link your checkbox. For this case, I'm going to link it right here, and then click OK. Now you can see this one is displayed true. So if I untick that, you can see that it displays false. That so we need to link each and every cell manually. You cannot copy this. If you try to do that, you can see that it's copying, but it refer to this cell here. So let me just delete that and link this manually. So right click the second checkbox, go to format control, and then click on cell link like so. Repeat the same process, right click, format control, click on the cell link, and then the cell that we want to link, click enter, go to format control, then cell link again, and hit enter. And lastly, we go to the last literature, click on cell link, and then select the cell and click OK. So now that we have successfully linked these cells to these checkboxes, so the next thing that you need to do is to add something in this status. So we need to create formula whereby if I click on this checkbox, it will display whether the assignment has been done or is still pending. So just in order to add a formula, just click the cell, and then type equal sign, and then type if and then you select true if this cell is equals to true. If that cell is true, comma, and then say done. You're saying equals to, just type equals to, then if this cell, you select on this cell, just click on it, then you type, let me just repeat that, type equals to, then if, just type if, and then choose that. If you select the cell, if this cell is true, you type your give done, close, and then comma, otherwise you say pending, and then you also, I forgot to close that, I forgot to close, just enter. So if I uncheck that checkbox, you can see it is displaying pending. If I click check, done. So we are going to copy this cell down, just drag that. Now you can see that it's working. So if you click on any cell, if we check it, you can see it's done, and on the other side it's true. Now we need to format this further so that the status, when it's done, we can have it, we can have a strike through line and then green. So to do that, just select the cells or the status, and then go to home tab, and then select the conditional formatting, and then new rule. So under new rule, we are going to define new rules. Select the last rule type, that is use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click on that, and then so under format values, you can see this format values where this formula is true. Click inside it, and then you can either click on the cell, or you can just type equals to, and then define the address that is D3, the first one, D3, but remove this $sign so that we are going to lock the column only. So we are saying equals to, write that formula, $ D3 equals to done, then close like that, so double quotes, and then if it's done, click on format. We are going to, the effect is strike through, and then the color, let's make it green like that, and then italic. So if I click that and click OK, you can see that all the cells that are checked, if I click on checked, you can see it's true, done, like that. So let's say that we don't want to display these true or false values. Just select the that column and go to home tab, and then under the font, just select the font color and choose white, like that. So the task, so let's move to this next segment. So we want to display the total task, the task completed, and the percentage of the task completed. So let's begin with the total task. So for us to display the total task, write the following formula: equals to count A. This formula count A is going that's going to display cells that are not empty. So bracket, we're going to select all the assignments, then close the bracket and hit enter. You can see that the total assignments are 5, and then the total number of the task completed. So we're going also to write a formula for task completed. Just type equals to, first of all, let me just bring this back so that this one equals to total task completed. Just write the following formula: equals to count if, we're going to write this formula, count if this cell, count if from E3 to E7 is true, then close the bracket. So count if E3 to E7 is true, and then hit enter. So when you check this, you can see now we have 4 tasks completed, all tasks completed, like that. So we can now hide this as before by choosing font color as white. Now lastly, we're going with this percentage. So the percentage is a total number of tasks completed over total task multiplied by 100. So this is, let's write that formula: equals to task completed divided by total task, then you hit enter. Now we want to convert this value to percentage. Just select that cell, go to home tab, and then under the number group, select percentage style. Now we can see this is 60% complete. If we select that, then total number completed is 4 out of 5. The percentage is 80%. And then you can see the effect, the strike through, and then it turns to green. 100% done, 80% done, 60%, 40%. So that's the tricks or the method that you can use to create a checkbox in Excel. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.